Wait. Are you really going to miss this? Miss the opportunity to be a part of the KBB movement, to do something impactful in your life, to do something meaningful. It's what we all desire. Can we do something meaningful and have next level success? I say absolutely yes. I've been blessed to experience it. So is my friend Tony Robbins. But now it's not just for us anymore. It's for regular people all around the world. In fact, take a look at people already using the KBB method, and I'll be right back.
A knowledge broker is an action taker.
They are inherently driven to share knowledge.
Someone who makes an impact.
They learn through experience, they study, they learn from other people, everything and anything that they can.
Trying to figure out my why. Why do I exist? What's my purpose?
I had no idea why I was working here. I was starting from scratch and I had absolutely no momentum.
I influence people's lives by sharing and teaching.
By helping them discover who they really are,
how to market themselves,
how to communicate at an open-minded level mindset,
and make a difference in the world.
It gave me all the tools and resources I need to have a positive impact in any area of my life.
Sometimes condensing decades into just a few hours.
I created my first live event, an online subscription-based program.
I know how to launch a good project. I know how to bring it to fruition. So that is what my mastermind is going to be about.
I wrote a book. I have an online course. I have launched more masterminds.
I am.
And I am.
I am.
I am.
I am.
I am.
I am a knowledge broker.
I am a knowledge broker.
I am a knowledge broker.
A knowledge broker.
I am a knowledge broker, and I'm proud to be one.
Is that amazing or what? And it's happening in over 150 countries, in over 4,300 different niches right now. And here's the thing. If you're seeing this video, that means you probably saw what Tony Robbins and I are doing. You probably watched some videos or heard about it. And here's the thing. Your chance to get enrolled is going away. If you want to get your questions answered, if you want to make sure you can gain the confidence to do this, then click the link on this page right now. Watch the last video before this closes and see why the world has shifted. People don't want to learn through their own trial and error. People don't want to learn general knowledge and traditional education and get lots of debt that doesn't do anything. They want to learn from somebody like you who's had the experience, who's had the time, who's had a mess and you turn it into your message. If you're ready to do something different, impactful, then I encourage you, click the link on this page right now. See the timer on the page, because when it hits 0, this offer is over. And make sure you don't have regret or FOMO, because once it hits 0, this offer is truly gone. Click the link below right now before you miss out.